I make it right, I make it right. I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a handful of stacks, better grab an umbrella, I make it right.
Martian's Entertainment, and we have a Black Crane, the Dark Paradise, December 26th in the Lime Golf Academy. You don't know, say I came the Lyrical Machine and the Martian's team. Right now, I have no voice, but just come check out the live performance, a whole heap of things. Tell them now.
Two full loaded bars, everything complimentary, everything complimentary. You see me I say? You have complimentary Christmas cake, jump can come in, jello shots, all them. You can go and dance at them.
Black Crane, you see me? But I tell you, say, look out for the Dark Clash, you see me? Music by Rebel Sound and Selector Shane, Versus, DJ Charisma and DJ Cyrus, the veteran. And also look out for the crowd pleaser, DJ Alipop. You don't know, you see me?
Got a handful of stacks, better grab an umbrella, I make it right.